built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. The VARIO Signature 1200 is an opulent high-end motorhome that measures 12 meters in length and weighs 26 tons, making it a veritable behemoth of the road. The Signature 1200 Fat is a giant vehicle garage that can hold a car as big as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. With a roomy interior that can fit up to 6 people and all the amenities you would expect in a high-end motorhome, like a kitchen, bathroom, living area, and bedroom. The VARIO Signature 1200 is an opulent motorhome built for comfortable and stylish travel. The bathroom features a shower and a toilet, while the kitchen is furnished with a refrigerator, cooker, oven, and dishwasher. There is a queen-size bed and a wardrobe in the bedroom. The VARIO Signature 1200 starts at $922,000. Dembell Motorhomes are high-end RVs with an exquisite exterior and smart, graceful design that aim to provide the comforts of a luxury boat both inside and out. Measuring 12 meters by 39.3 feet in length, 2.5 meters by 8.2 feet in width, and 4 meters by 13 feet in height, it features a small rear garage, 2 slide-outs, one for the kitchen and one for the bedroom. And can accommodate 4 people in total comfort. It also provides storage and pretty much everything else you could possibly need for an enjoyable extended vacation. The 4 gorgeous but incredibly impractical white leather seats in the cockpit are heated, cooled, and feature massage functions. The kitchen is fully equipped with Miele appliances, including dishwasher, induction cooktop, and oven. Also features a large refrigerator and freezer, hidden evacuation, and generous storage. The model showcased in the video is customized and retails for $25 million. Built by the Italian manufacturer CMC Caravan, the CMC ALUNA is a premium motorhome renowned for its roomy interior, fine craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technologies. Although the ALUNA comes in a range of configurations, all models have certain qualities in common. Among them is a slide-out portion that increases the living area, a large kitchen including stainless steel appliances and granite worktops, a bathroom featuring a separate shower and toilet, as well as a bedroom featuring a queen-size bed for those seeking an opulent and cozy motorhome. The ALUNA is an excellent option. It is ideal for extended trips or relaxing at your preferred campsite. Nevertheless, it is among the priciest models available, a starting price of around $300,000. German luxury RV manufacturer Volkner Motorhome Inc. Volkner Performance at the 2021 Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf, Germany. The company wowed the crowd with its performance as a motorhome that concealed a Bugatti Chiron between the front and rear axle. Despite the price tag, the Volkner Mobile Performance boasts an incredibly luxurious $355,000 Burmester audio system, a master bedroom, a large and roomy shower, and brilliant white upholstery to complete the upscale vibe. It also includes a full kitchen with an induction stove, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator at the extravagant $7.7 million. For the performance motorhome at the Caravan Salon includes the Bugatti with base prices starting at $2.4 million. The Performance S is also one of the world's most expensive motorhomes. The vehicle built on a Mercedes Actros truck chassis. The Surf Hotel is a unique and opulent motorhome that costs $300,000. and is intended for surfers who wish to chase the best waves along the coast. When the truck is fully contracted for travel, it measures 11.2 meters in length, 2.55 in width, and 4 meters in height. When expanded, the height rises to 6.5 meters. The vehicle, the 5 rooms at the Surf Hotel, can house up to 10 people. There are 4 double rooms and 1 single room. The motorhome features a living space, a rooftop terrace, a fully functional kitchen, a bathroom with a shower and air conditioning, heating and Wi-Fi. You cannot buy the vehicle Surf Hotel mobile home by itself. Garage door pop-outs and Simcross 2. This car is renowned for its cutting-edge technologies and features, such as its innovative safety systems, aerodynamic designs, and powerful engines. Built for the true adventurer, this model offers a spacious and comfortable living area with a fully equipped kitchen, beautiful bathroom, and cozy bedroom. The built-in garage provides space for a small car, scooter, motorcycle, or other vehicles. It also incorporates various driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, active brake assist, and lane keeping assist, to enhance safety and efficiency on the road. Anywhere you go, amid leather and wood. An environment inspired by luxurious boats and warm, light Nordic design will make you feel at home. Beautiful and premium materials, with a touch of carbon added to the essence of valuable woods, define the living spaces. The groundbreaking Maxus V90 Villa Edition RV completely reimagines what a mobile home is. When the vehicle is stationary, its main level expands to provide 200 square feet, holding the living area, kitchen, luxurious bar, and bathroom. This innovative vehicle developed by STX Motor is a 2-story moving home with a panoramic sunroom. An additional 133 square feet are available on the upper level, which is reachable via lift and can be utilized as a study, a zen room, or an open sunlight area. The V90 Villa Edition, which is presently priced at approximately $413,000 in China, also has an external pull-out cooking area with little lights, a JBL music system, a washing machine, a kitchenette, and an air conditioner. Venture HYMER Vision, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, serves as the foundation for the HYMER VisionVenture, a concept motorhome designed by renowned recreational vehicle and camper manufacturer HYMER. Its hybrid all-wheel drive system enhances the vehicle's off-road capabilities. Venture provides a large and opulent living area with an emphasis on natural materials and a warm ambience. It has a dining area, a fully functional kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and a cozy bedroom area. The arrangement makes the most of available space and offers a cozy living environment. Additionally, the VisionVenture integrates a number of cutting-edge features and technologies in order to increase fuel efficiency and lessen the motorhome's environmental effect. It is built with lightweight materials in order to reduce energy usage. There are heat recovery systems and solar panels on the roof. A cutting-edge small home solution that provides the most flexibility. Without compromising comfort or design, the Grande S1 comes fully furnished with a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. It can be expanded from a compact 140 feet to a spacious 364 feet in just 15 minutes. Offering plenty of space for living and entertaining. It can be assembled on site in 15 minutes and is towable with an F250 or equivalent. The primary structure, which costs $85,000 and supports off-grid living with solar solutions powered by Renogy, is composed of high-tensile steel filled with firm polyurethane to provide dependability and safety. The eleMMent Palazzo is a high-end recreational vehicle, RV, produced by Marchi Mobiles, an Austrian firm. It is renowned for its futuristic and distinctive design, which has been compared to a lanyard. The opulent features and striking appearance of the eleMMent Palazzo have contributed to its growing popularity. With its rounded front end and long, streamlined body, the Palazzo has an elegant, aerodynamic appearance that makes it resemble a luxury yacht or high-end sports car. It comes in a variety of lengths, from about 12 to 20 meters, 39 to 65 feet. Its roomy interior provides lots of spaces for entertaining and living. The eleMMent Palazzo is a premium luxury motorhome, and its price points correspond to the expense of a brand new vehicle. Palazzo can cost anything from a few $100,000 to more than $1 million, depending on the extra features and customization. The woodworking inspired by Western Montana architecture. Big Sky is a 399 square foot, $8,500 small home model with a shed roof style, Western cedar horizontal metal siding, and black-clad windows on the exterior. The interior boasts shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and tongue-and-groove ceilings that have been stained. There is a couch and a fireplace in the large living space of the Biggest K. The bathroom is towards the back of the house and has a shower, toilet, and sink. The kitchen is galley style and features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an oven. There are 2 bedrooms, one with a king-size bed and the other with a queen-size bed. The woodworking Big Sky is a fantastic choice for anyone searching for a chic and useful little house on wheels. The Timbercraft Big Sky tiny home starts at $50,000. THOR's vision car for customers who enjoy camping in the great outdoors. THOR Industries has unveiled the new concept electric camper van, built on its unique platform. This electric vehicle is said to have the best range in its class, reaching up to 300 miles on a single charge. The high-voltage electric drivetrain of the Extreme powers the trailer's wheels, lowering the fuel and energy consumption of the tow vehicle. The electric drivetrain may be remotely leave the tow car at home and park the RV according to the manufacturer. Their new electric RV is the most adaptable recreational vehicle in the world. The most adaptable leisure vehicle in the world is equipped with the D-Concept automobile, not the Selectric vehicle. The interior of this electric camper van may also be described as fairly luxury, with a smart sound feature that makes all activities in the room easier. It has a small room and a comfy kitchen bed. However, it is unknown when this electric automobile will be launched. The stylish and powerful Cross Volvo horse truck is made to carry horses in luxury and safety. It is based on the dependable and powerful Volvo FH chassis and comes in a range of versions that can hold 4 to 9 horses. The living area is large and tastefully furnished with features such as a kitchen, sleeping quarters, air conditioning, satellite TV, and a dining area for 4 people. The equine section is equipped with rubber flooring, temperature monitoring equipment, cooling fans, surveillance cameras, and movable dividers. The Cross Volvo FH 540 is a statement of elegance and quality rather than just a work of horsepower.